Hey, how are ya? Greetings, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. That's right. After 2 years of saying I was gonna make a channel, I finally did it. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look and many more to come, keep on watching, give a like, a subscribe, a share if you will. If you feel like subjecting other people to the pain of watching this video, it's a learning curve, but we'll get there together. That's all I got. Keep watching. So, here we are. It's bombing down snow outside, so I'm thinking some sort of blue, purple, wintry thing. So I'm going to prime with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. These claws are not ideal for putting primer on the lid. My mother purchased a ukulele for me for Christmas, which was a great little gift, except for the fact that I can't freaking play it because of my nails. I'm going to record audio on my phone. Actually, I have a feeling that my autofocus audio is gonna pick up on my mic on my camera. So we're gonna give this a shot as well. I'm not really sure how we're gonna sync that up, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna take the color Solstice in the Tarte, what is this? The Clay Play palette. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. What are we doing? What am I gonna do here? I'm gonna take another shade out of the Clay Play palette and just kind of build up a little bit of a nudie color in the crease. Bunny hair. I don't really know where I'm going with this look, so we're just gonna see where the wind takes us, folks. I'm sitting in my bed right now. This is not where I was going to film. The intention was to film at school, but seeing as we are snowed in, filming upon my bed. I think I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Metal Mattes palette. This thing has seen better days. My bunny has actually ate it. It is. It's had a rough time. It is not thriving, that is for sure. And I'm gonna take this blue shade Velour right here and start doing a little something with that. I'm kind of feeling a halo eye. I'm just gonna start to work that into the outer and inner corners. I have a really hard time staying in the camera. Is that better? Am I better? I'm trying. I'm gonna take a smaller kind of, how I don't do this. It's like a flat shader jet. It's the Morphe Y18 brush, I don't know. And then I'm gonna go back in with this Wet n Wild brush. With colors like these, especially when I'm working with like something that's as pigmented or as bright, I just kind of like to dip back in and work a layer at a time. So I'll put the color down and then start to buff it out, and then put more color down and buff it out, because the more you buff it, the more you're gonna lose that pigmentation. Should I zoom you in? Should we do that? Would that be a fun thing to do? If I look up at the viewfinder like 20 times, I apologize. I always just like duck out of the frame. Like I'm sitting here and then all of a sudden I'm gone. I'm just leaving this like center part open because I'm gonna put some kind of color in there. I'm quite disorganized being at home because up at school, where I live 9 months out of the year, I have all my makeup organized a lot better. I don't really have anywhere to put my brushes. So they're currently sitting in a Pliables plastic cup. Shout out to Delaney. This is just an Urban Decay shadow brush. I want to say that this came in like the Naked One palette, the OG palette of all palettes. I'm gonna dip into the Anastasia Subculture palette. It's this guy. He's like a oh my god. Just dug my claws into all of those eyeshadows. So, Axis. I'm gonna focus this really on like the outer and innermost corners, just because I'm trying to deepen that up a bit. So yeah, I feel like this color was always more blue than I want it to be, and now it's more green than I want it to be. But I'm gonna go back with that buffing fluffy brush. That's what it is. It's a fluffy brush. Oh, see? Look at me. I'm gone. I'm gonna take Jet out of that Kat Von D palette, this black. So I'm gonna take more of that Jet on this little, this little guy. I don't know how everybody, I guess having a desk would help this situation. I'm gonna go back actually with this Wet n Wild shadow brush that we originally used with the blue shadow. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and with nothing on it and just clean those edges up a little bit, just kind of soften them. This side's looking a little too harsh for my liking. Oh my god, can I sit up? Take a little shadow brush and wet it with some setting spray. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This stuff is the bomb.com. I'm gonna go in with Tinsel out of the Kat Von D palette. It's like this kind of silvery green. And then I'm gonna go back in with that blue and soften the edges of that shade in the middle there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take the Stila Diamond Dust. These are the liquid eyeshadow glitter guys. Oh, it's definitely upside down. Haha. I just want a little bit more glitter. I'm going to go in with that blue again. I'm going to take the Too Faced Poreless Primer. Where'd I put my sponge? I dampened it. Let's just organize our lives and not panic. Alright, we're gonna use a brush. So I'm actually going to take the Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Foundation. There was a ton of hype over this like a year and a half ago. And I used to wear it all the time and I loved it. And then I saw it in the store the other day because it's almost never in stock. Like they just never have it. I picked it up. So I'm just gonna pump some of that on the back of my hand and get to work. Good enough. Where is my concealer brush? Alright, this is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer in the shade, I'm not sure. This stuff is the bomb. and I don't know why it doesn't get more hype, because, I mean, it's no Shape Tape, but really it gets in there, you know? This is the PUR Cosmetics number 203 blending concealer brush. It's my favorite brush in the entire world, and I'm not entirely sure why. It does a great job at doing its job. I am going to set under my eyes using the Tarte Park Ave Princess palette. It's got the 4 contour shades and then 2 highlighting shades, or setting shades, whatever you want to call them. So I'm just going to mix those 2 colors and set under the eye. I'm going to take this lightest shade here. This is a Morphe Y9 brush. I like to just kind of concentrate that really close to the, like, the outermost point of the face. And then just lightly kind of buff it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Anastasia Trio in Cocktail Party, and I'm gonna take this guy. And these are super pigmented, so you really don't need to, like, dip 50 times into them, which I just did. I don't think I like this blush color. I think I've made a mistake. I'm just gonna go back in with my powder brush and kind of blend some of that away. I just feel like I put too much of that on, which is exactly what I said not to do, and then went ahead and did it. Now I'm going to take the Aurora Glow Kit. It's this guy. I'm gonna go in with Orion, which is the blue shade in here. The only thing I hate about these glow kits is that they don't have a mirror inside them. Who makes a palette anymore without a mirror inside of it? To finish the eyes, I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline. It's like a deep purple kind of color, and I'm gonna hit the lower waterline with that. Do I zoom you back in? Is that how this works? Here we go. Hi. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna take this Japanesque 341 brush. It's just a little smudgy brush. And I'm going to take this guy. I'm sweating. This is stressful. I'm actually gonna go in with the shade Silk. So it's that kind of pinky shade that's next to Ribbon. I'm going to, oh god, put the PUR Cosmetics eyelashes on. These are gonna be not have a hard, what? These are in the style Diva. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Cool Girl, which is my favorite nude of all time. So we got our lips on. I'm just gonna throw some mascara on, and I think we'll be done. All right, we did it. Thank you for watching. Give a like, a subscribe, come hang out with me. There are exciting things to come. Hopefully more videos. Catch you next time. Hi! Hey! I don't know how to do this. What's up? Hey guys! No, that's wrong. I'm so awkward. My foot. Is this a safe space? Oh, that! Greetings, friends! No. How does anyone do this for a living? I feel very uncomfortable. Right, this is the Tarte. It's got a little catch you on the next one. Oh my god.